Hey everyone, big news for e-reader fans. Amazon just dropped its brand new Kindle Scribe models, and they are finally available to buy. Remember that flagship color model they announced back in September? Well, the Kindle Scribe Colorsoft is here, along with a new monochrome version, both featuring a front light.
Ho, ho, ho!
I've just got my hands on the review units, and I'll be putting them through their paces over the next few days. Now, they aren't cheap. The frontlit monochrome model starts at $500, and the color version will set you back $630. But Amazon has packed in some serious upgrades.
Ho, ho, ho!
We're talking a larger 11-inch screen with smaller bezels, a slimmer and lighter design, and a new custom processor that's supposed to be 40% faster. Plus, the display technology has been totally redesigned. And for those worried about the yellowing issues on the original Kindle Colorsoft, I've checked my new Scribe Colorsoft, and I can't see any hint of it. It looks fantastic.
Ho, ho, ho!
I'll have a full, in-depth review coming very soon, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it.
Ho, ho, ho!